second vlog. So, nandito na tayo sa malapit sa Grand Palace. Sa Galleries Royales. And ito yung favorite restaurant namin ni Bob. Every December, sa Brussels Grill. This is very nice. This one. Kung pupunta kayo dito sa Brussels, try nyo to, ng steak. And then, ito. This one. Tama. To, favorite namin to. May 12.50. Pero, hindi ito pero yung steak niya masarap. Pakita niya natin to. Dito tayo mamaya. Yan. 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 So happy kasi punta na naman kami dito and very nice. Very warm. Like it. So, yan. Nagpipicture-picture pa sila doon. Ito yung parang circle nila, which is beautiful. Makikita nyo, dito din yung ano guys. Guys, dito din yung chocolates na iba't ibang brand na super sarap. Kasi diba dito yung chocolatier. So, dito yung atelier ng mga chocolate. So, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya kapag lumibot kami dun sa mga store. Yung iloob. Nakita nyo ba? Ang ganda diba, guys? Tignan nyo. Just see the beauty of Brussels. Check it out. Nandito yung favorite na... Guys, nandito yung favorite na chocolate ko. Haha, bibili ako ulit. Kasi, happy ako. Doon, bonbons yun eh. So, hanapin ko siya ulit. Ito, tiyan mo. Guys, tiyan mo yung chocolate. This is Forny Port Royal. You see how the truffles. This is bonbons. The Manicapis Cafe Metal. This is wait, I'll show you. This is bonbon. This is truffles. Yan yung mga price. 27 something. Ito 16 dun sa maliit. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, no? Sarap. Oh, nice. Mamaya, punta tayo dun sa loob para makabili tayo. Bibili ako. And then this one is good too. Yan, this one. Pear macaroni. Let's try. I'm gonna try.
This said,
how I'm gonna try? I'm gonna try this one. See? Ganda niya, diba? Sama kayo sa mga travel ko. Para makita niyo siya while I'm traveling. Nakakapasyal na rin kayo. But that's my purpose, para makita niyo yung ganda ng mundo in European side. I really love and like this one. And then Le Pen. Sa Netherlands, meron din ito. Kumakain din kami dito ni Bob, actually. And actually, guys, dito maganda ang mga diamonds dito kasi Belgium. Yung favorite ko dito, dun sa may Grand Palace yun. Hanapin natin. Yes, para happy tayo. Hanapin ko sila kasi nawawala ata ako. Pupunta kami ngayon Grand Palace. Other side. Ayun o, dun na yun. There. There. So, pupunta na kaming Grand Palace today. Few blocks away. So guys, look. How is that? Look at that. So cute. Yeah, the Belgian gourmet. Makikita ko sa inyo yung favorite ko. Na ito yung traditional nila. Cubedons. That one. Cubedons. Pag December, madami yan. Pag December, meron yan sa market. Ito yung mga souvenirs nila. Souvenirs. Manikipi souvenirs. And Tolochtane is my favorite also. All are my favorites. Krute. Guys, ang ganda niya. At pinupunta namin every December, ni ba? Dito kami mag-spend ng Christmas last Christmas. Ito yung favorite ko. I think, oh, the Neh House. There, nandun yung favorite chocolate ko. Merong mga kids din dito na nagtutour. Like them. Look at this Grand Palace, my love. Diba ang ganda ng Belgium? Ang ganda ng Belgium. Lalo yung mga detail nila may gold. I like it. Cobblestone streets, by the way. And then, that one. Look at that. How detailed is that? So, guys, ano lang kayo dito? Ha? Sorry. Yan. 360 ko kayo, guys. Ha? Ito yung Grand Plaza pala to, hindi Palace. Look at that. Dahan-dahan para makita niya yung kabuuan. So, guys, second vlog ko na to. Bili tayo nung, chocolate. Patikim natin sa kanila yung favorite ko. Baka yung favorite din nila. Guys, this is my favorite. Look. Chocolates. This is one of my favorite chocolates here in this brand. Try it if you are in Belgium. This is cute. Look at this one. I really like it. Hello! Nakabalik na kami ng hotel. Actually, ang daming nangyari from Grand Palace. After Grand Palace, nag-late lunch na kami and early dinner. So, and then, kwento-kwento, of course, matagal din naman sa hindi nakita, or si Bob. The first time I met them, hello to Kuya Ryan and Ate Mache. I'm so glad to meet you guys. I'm so happy to meet your family and the two kids. I'm really, really happy I am. And also, we have some grocery outside with Bob. I got my, pakita ko sa inyo ha. I got my red orange. I like this red orange because it's a high vitamin C. And then, sa sauna pala kami today because may sauna dito sa hotel. I got our favorite Madeline. This is our favorite actually. I have one. And then, I will try this generic brand. And then, nabuksan ko na siya. I have the first time to try the Lay's roasted garlic and herbs. Nakain ko na siya. Okay, good. And then I have this one. Gusto ko din siya. It's a choco like brioche. And then, dahil nga nasasawa na kami, at nandito na din naman ako, I got Creek beer. Masarap to. Kung nasa Belgium kayo or galing kayo Europe, alam nyo na masarap to. I have this also. Dalawa yung binili ko. And then this is for Bob. Duvel drink. You know Belgium na talagang known sila sa brewing. So they have 500 brewers dito sa Belgium na company. And they have a lot of beers, brand ng beers all over the world actually. And hindi ko lang napakita kanina kasi syempre it's just our moment na ma-meet sila. Just 6 to 7 hours na magkakasama kami after 20 years, lalo na si Bob. So hindi na namin sila pinakita gano kasi ayoko namang makasira ng moment dahil gusto ko din sila mag-enjoy together. So, eto, may binigay sila sa amin. Mukhang masarap to. Mukhang nakaka-addict to. Seaweeds. Popcorn seaweed. Sabi ni Kuya Ryan, this is from Malaysia. Thank you. Appreciated. Really, I do. And then, this one is spicy. The Tom Yum Hong Goong Gourmet Popcorn. This is a popcorn from Malaysia. I'm really very thankful. And then, what's more? Okay. I have from the Philippines also na pajama, guys. So, may pajama ko from the Philippines. This is from the Love to Sue. For sure, this is a very, very nice. Oh, may binigay siyang free, Bob. I have free. Oh my God. Wait, may dumating na housekeeping. Is that our...
The bathroom is first.
Okay. She has a free.
Oh, wow.
Thank you, Te Julie. Kung nanonood ka ng vlog ko, thank you. And ito-try natin. Alam mo, ang ganda ng quality niya. Actually, nakita ko siya sa internet. Super ganda. Mamaya ita-try on ko to. Pero kailangan ko munang i-haul sa Facebook. This is color brown. Like brown. I think iba yung kulay niya sa camera. And then this is violet. This is from Love to Sue, guys. I'm gonna put the description or the Facebook page of them in my vlog. Guys, umorder kayo. Let's support. This is from the Philippines. That's color purple and this is color navy. Guys, this is really nice. Hindi ako order kundi sa nice. And maganda siya sa malalamig actually. Kasi ang ganda ng very cotton. Very nice though. Then, ngayon after nating mag-haul, ita-try on ko siya. And then, magsasaw na kami. Guys, this is our day. I'm happy. And, of course, siguro chill. Movie night. Yeah. I think that was it yet. I don't know yet, but yun muna yung gagawin namin. And I hope, guys, na nag-enjoy kayo for the view of Grand Palace. Pero, for sure, kung tomorrow maaga kami, ulitin natin yung sa Grand Palace, Bob. So, you can see also the manica piece and the waffle. So, ulitin namin yun. And tomorrow, marami kaming ganap. Then, uuwi din kami tomorrow ng gabi kasi I think may asikasuhin kami by Thursday. So, ayun. Later na lang ulit. Hi guys! Ito yung pajama. This is size medium. So, ang ganda niya, guys. Promise. Ang ganda niya. See? Tamang-tama lang sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung size medium na ba ako. O talagang medyo maliit yung size niya for small sa medium. Kasi for me, like, this is medium, but my thing is I'm small. Pero kumuha ko ng medium para comfortable ako. Yan. Ito yung blue. Navy blue. Navy blue, guys. Tapos, din naman natin yung color purple or rosé. I don't know. So, guys, eto naman yung purple. I think it's purple, no? Alam mo nyo, ang ganda ng pagkakatahi niya. As in. Very quality. And this is cost not too much for how much. Magtanong na lang kayo sa kanya kung magkano. Or maybe tatanong ko sa kanya, ilalagay ko dito kung magkano yung price. But, I promise you, grabe, pang Uniqlo yung kanyang quality. I swear. Because I have Uniqlo and look, gaano siyang kaganda. Oh my God. And also, this one, ang ganda niya. Wala siyang, look. See? I'm so happy. Thank you, Ate Julie, for this pajama. Guys, this is brown. Medyo hindi na kasi ano yung araw, kaya talagang nahihirapan ako sa inyo pakita yung color. Pero, this is brown, guys. Yung camera ko kasi, maano sa pagde-detect. So, hindi ko siya mababa. Paano ko siya mababa? Guys, it's currently 9 o'clock in the evening. So, kakatapos lang namin mag-sauna, hot bath, and normal bath. We have a very fun night with the friends of ours. Really, we do. And I'm so grateful that we could have find time to them, and we are so grateful to meet them, really. Of course, it's been a long time. I hope, guys, you have a very nice time and day to day, because we have, although it's very nasty here also in Belgium, but that was fine. I'm not complaining. I'm grateful. So tonight, after mag-chill lang kami, some Greek beer or something, cherry beer, and some snacks. But I think hindi na kami kumain ng dinner kasi sobrang busog kami kanina. I have really a nice meal. I have a ribeye, Bob has a carbonade, and so on. So medyo pagod na din ako, and I really need to end this vlog for my second vlog for today. And I hope, guys, to see you on my next vlog tomorrow. I'm not absent, so we will see you tomorrow and give you a glimpse again on the Grand, what is that?
The Grand Palace?
The Plaza.
Oh, Grand Plaza.
We thought it was a Grand Palace, but this is a Grand Plaza, by the way. And I want to eat a waffle with a cream on top and strawberry. I really need that before we left in Belgium. It's a must. So guys, thank you guys for watching for today, I mean. And I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye!